Back at you. Got a vehicle here in the shop. It's a prime example that I see all the time. Customers go to the shop, that's not qualified to work on it. They use inferior components. The same problem comes back. Well, in this case, this is a 2010 Toyota Prius with just under 230,000 miles. So the original complaint to this vehicle was it was misfiring. So that facility put on a set of spark plugs and ignition coils. Well, soon after, the problem came right back. It was misfiring. They went back to that facility. They looked at it and said, hey, you need a head gasket. Yes, these vehicles are prone to head gaskets. The Generation 3s have a lot of problems. But they said, I want a second opinion. So we ended up looking at this vehicle. We verified no head gasket problem. But we did verify the components they used were incorrect, and that was the reason why the vehicle was misfiring. So they put on their auto light, which should never be on any manufacturer, in my opinion, on the new cars. And this cheap Chinese coil should never be on there. If you're gonna do any ignition, it's critical to go back to the OE component or the original manufacturer of that equipment. So like the spark plug should either be a Denso, and the only exception would be NGK. And obviously you need to use the laser iridium, that's what the car calls for. And then either the Toyota coil or Denso. They make the original coil for Toyota. So you gotta know who makes it and go back to that manufacturer. In this case, this is all the vehicle. This is what the vehicle needed. It fixed their misfires. They don't need a head gasket, saved a ton of money, but they wasted a bunch of money at another facility. So the warning is, if another facility is putting cheap garbage on there to repair your car, leave that facility. Don't go back. Go to someone that knows what they're doing, that's qualified to do the repair. Because if you're going to do it, you do it right. See ya.